What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala. Currently sitting at 0.02111, down 5% on the day. Market cap 828 million. 24-hour volume 77 million. So, as I mentioned in the previous video, off the bear market low, it does just look like 3 waves up. So there is the chance that we can come back and retest the bear market lows and even create a lower low before bouncing. Now your bullish scenario, if we zoom in, 30-minute chart is a 5-wave move off the low. So I would also want to see this previous level of support now flipped as resistance broken. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That's what you need to see. You need to see that 5-wave. Come on, bro. That 5-wave move off the low to confirm a bullish move. So you can break the wave 1 high, 0.02301, push up in a wave 3, break this level of resistance. That would definitely be your first indication. If we create a 5-wave move, then we can look at a bullish scenario. But until then, we have to remain bearish. We have to continue to respect the downtrend. We do have a little bit of a double bottom, but we can even push up and get rejected by this level of resistance, about 0.02574, and then continue back down. So until we get that 5-wave move off the low, we're still in a downtrend, and we're still looking to come down to levels of support until we get that first 5 waves. So those support levels, 0.01657, wow, 0.01184. Unless we get that 5-wave move, then we can look at a bullish scenario for our friend Gala. All right, gang, that's it for this one. We're currently in a trade about to hit the TP on Euro GBP. So you can get my signals completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, 10% back on every single trade, including for North Americans. No KYC, no VPN. And just send me email. Here's the last week results. Just 2 trades, 48% profit. For my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, we just hit a nice take profit on one of my Forex trades today, and we're about to hit another one. So trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. All links down below. Just send me email. I'll give you completely free access. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.